Guys, this is KP Styles and welcome back to part 2 of testing viral makeup hacks. And today I would be trying out these makeup hacks from TikTok. So without waiting, let's get started. And before going to the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So for the hack number 1, what you have to do is you have to grab a facial oil and mix some shimmery eyeshadow in it, and then you have your liquid highlighter ready. So we are going to do it. So for the facial oil, I am taking this NY Bay vitamin C and vitamin B3 serum, and for the eyeshadow I would be taking this palette and this shimmery shade right here. So I would be mixing them both. As you can see, I have mixed the facial oil with the eyeshadow, and its consistency is a bit liquidy, so I'm going to try it on my face. Like, it's working pretty decent, as you can see. Like, not decent, it's working really good. So I personally like this hack very much, so this hack is a thumbs up for me. According to the second hack, if you add some eyeshadow with your foundation, you can make a colored concealer. So for the foundation, I am taking this Bobbi Brown foundation. Let me take one pump of this foundation on the back of my hand. I think this much would be sufficient, and I would be taking a brown eyeshadow. This is how it has turned out to be. I would be trying it on my eyelid. This is looking really good. You can also do a cut crease with the help of this, like, because it is acting as a thick concealer as well. And also I think you can use it as a liquid contour. It is also going to work amazing at that. So I think this hack again is a thumbs up. So in the hack number 3, you are going to make a body shimmer or maybe a highlighter by using any moisturizer and adding highlighter in it. So I am taking this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. I'll be scraping some highlighter in it. Okay, so it has turned out to be a shimmery eyeshadow, and I think you can use it as a body shimmer. As you can see the difference in both the upper and lower part, it's looking pretty decent. And again, you can add some highlighter in your moisturizer and apply it all over your face again. So I think it's working pretty good as well. So again, it's a thumbs up. I think all the hacks today are going to be a thumbs up. So in the next hack, according to this, you can use a blush as your lipstick. So basically what you have to do is you have to grab any of your lip balm, apply it on your lips, and after doing that you have to grab your blush palette and dab it on your lip balm. I am going to take my Wet n Wild blush on my finger like this, and I would be dabbing it. It is giving me some color for sure. And if you have ever used a powder lipstick like the Nykaa powder puff or NYX powder puff, so its consistency is somewhat like that. So you can do this hack if you're out of your favorite lipstick, or you want a lipstick color matching to your blush. So in that case you can work with that, but it did not turn out like really amazing to me. It's like an okayish hack, so maybe it's a thumbs up. Okay, so the last hack is like a really trending hack right now, the new foundation hack, which I think you all have heard about. So in this hack, basically what you have to do is you have to apply your moisturizer, then you have to set your whole face with a loose powder, and then setting spray, and then primer, and then foundation. So we are going to do it. So the first thing we have to do is the moisturizer face. So I'm going to apply my moisturizer. Once we are done with that, we have to set the whole face using a loose powder. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you have to apply setting spray on it. So I would be doing it. So after setting the whole face, you As you can see, my face is whole wet right now. I'm just going to dab it in. Once the setting spray has been, set in, we have to do the primer. So I'm going to apply my primer. And then we have to go for the foundation. So I've applied my foundation pretty well, and I'm going to now set my face. Not seeing a lot of difference. It's just that my pores are a little bit minimized, and I think that is because of we have applied loose powder over the moisturizer, which have maybe filled in the pores. Maybe like 19-20 का फर्क that can be there, but I'm not seeing a lot of difference. Like it's okay, it's also a thumbs up, also a thumbs down, like it's in between. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. So bye bye.